Welcome to a new section on modules. As your programs grow, you'll need a way to organize your functions, variables, and classes into separate, manageable, and reusable files. In Python, this is achieved using modules. Modules are the fundamental way to structure your code and share functionality. 1. What is a module? Simply put, a module is just a Python file, a file with a .py extension containing Python code. This code can be anything: function definitions, class definitions, or variables. Think of it like a toolbox containing specific tools. For example, you might have a module named calculations.py with functions for adding, subtracting, and multiplying. 2. Why use modules? There are two main reasons. The first is organization. Modules prevent your programs from becoming one giant, impossible-to-manage file. They allow you to logically group related code. The second is reusability. Once a function or class is defined in a module, you can easily use it in any other Python program you write without copying and pasting the code. 3. The import statement. To use the functions and variables defined inside a module, you must use the import keyword. When you run import module_name, Python finds that module's file, executes all the code inside it, and makes all its definitions available for use in your current script. To summarize, modules are the building blocks of large Python applications. They allow code to be neatly packaged and shared. Next, we will create our own custom module and practice importing and using the code we define inside it. Let's put the concept of modules into practice by creating a simple Python file and learning how to access its functions from another file. Join me in Lecture 14.02. Create a module and use it.
See you there.